Okay, AVIO. Check presumes in here. Okay. Okay. Should probably do this. It's probably done by the closing of the format context. Okay. Yeah, that's a nerf. I think we can get around this. In fact, I think there's maybe a better design here, but for now, we're not going to do it. For now, okay, and then in pipe audio, what we're going to do, so we're going to go for I equals, we'll get rid of this, we'll have a size ti, and we'll say for I equals 0, I is less than max outputs, I think, max output formats, I++. If not, so we'll say struct output format, if not format valid, continue. Yeah, that's a good point. So we need not... I think what we're going to do is we'll say struct output format pointer format equals null, because we're going to need that. And we'll say if struct output format f equals output formats plus I, and we'll say if not f valid, if format equals null, format equals f. Sort of, because we're going to have the problem with we're going to have the problem if two threads try to create a format context at the same time. So I actually want to get rid of this. I don't want to destroy the mutex. I actually want to keep it alive, and I want to set this equal to pthread mutex initializer. something like that. It's literally that. Okay. So I want these mutaseeds to be initialized immediately on launch. And I want them to stay valid. Yeah, so if we go back down to pipe audio, it's kind of lame. I'll do it in 2 rounds. This actually is just gonna be another race condition though, because you can have 2 of them try to create an output context at the same time. I may just need to lock the entire output context structure. Which is very cringe. Can I do that safely? So is the only problem here when 2 are creating at the same time? No, the problem is that you can also destroy. I actually think we'll have to go through and acquire every single lock. It may be easier just to lock the entire thing. Like, these operations creating new formats and dereferencing old formats are very rare. In normal operation, you expect them to happen once on launch and once on close, basically. So they're very rare. I don't think there's any other time you need to acquire the lock, because really we're just protecting the structure, not protecting access to it. We're just protecting if it exists or not. So yeah, I think let's go back up here. Let's get rid of that. I think that's sufficient. Yeah, it's a good question of where I do it. Yeah, I can do it here. Free output. So here we can go if pthread mutex lock output mutex couldn't lock output format mutex. And we do that. And then what we're gonna do, if not f valid, if format equals null, format equals f, continue, if stru compare, yeah, you're gonna real whine about it, aren't you? This is also cringe, having to do a strulen. I mean, we don't have to. Yeah, and then we need to copy the URL. We need to set its ref count to 1. Okay, so no, incorrect. Also incorrect.